If you want to boost the bass in DaVinci Resolve, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step method to make your audio sound fuller, deeper, and more powerful using the built-in EQ tools. This is perfect for voiceovers, music, podcasts, and any clip that needs a little more low-end punch without making the sound muddy. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips just like this. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the Edit page by clicking the third icon from the left at the bottom center of the interface. This is where you'll start working with the audio clip on your timeline. Now select the audio clip that needs the bass boost so it becomes highlighted with a red border. That tells you the clip is active and ready to be adjusted. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and open the inspector panel. Inside the inspector, click the Audio tab. This is where all the audio controls for the selected clip are located. Scroll down until you find the Equalizer section. Once you see it, click the toggle switch on the right to turn the EQ on. Now click the Expand button inside the Equalizer section. It looks like a small box with an arrow, and it opens the full Equalizer window so you can make more precise changes. When that window appears, look at the bottom left for Band 1 or Band 2. These are the bands that control your low-end frequencies, which is exactly what we need for bass boosting. To shape the bass properly, click the Filter type icon next to Band 1 and choose the shelf icon. It looks like a step shape. This setting is important because it affects all low frequencies evenly instead of only a narrow range. That gives you a more natural and musical bass boost. After that, turn the frequency knob for Band 1 to somewhere between 80 and 125. This sets the point where the bass boost starts, and it helps you target the low end without boosting too much of the mids. If your audio sounds too boomy, lower it a little. If it needs more weight, bring it up carefully and listen as you go. Now increase the gain knob slowly. This is what actually raises the bass level. As you turn it up, you should see the white line on the graph move upward on the left side. Make small adjustments here, because too much gain can make the audio sound distorted or muddy. A little boost often goes a long way. Then use the Q factor knob to control the smoothness of the curve. A lower Q value gives you a wider, more natural sounding boost, which is usually the best choice for bass enhancement. If you make the curve too sharp, the audio can start sounding unnatural, so keep it smooth and balanced. Once you're happy with the sound, move over to the Fairlight page by clicking the musical note icon at the bottom center. Fairlight gives you more precise audio control, which is great for double-checking your settings. In the mixer panel, double-click the EQ section to open the high-resolution interface. This lets you verify your bass boost more clearly and make sure your levels are still clean. While you're checking the meter, make sure the audio is not hitting 0 dB. If the meters are reaching the top, that means your audio may be clipping, which can cause distortion. If that happens, reduce the gain a little until the sound is strong but still clean. The goal is to make the bass feel powerful, not overpower the rest of the audio. And that's it. You've now learned how to bass boost in DaVinci Resolve using the Equalizer and Fairlight tools. This method gives you a simple and professional way to improve your audio and make it sound much fuller in just a few minutes. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.